My name is Gilbert Obregon. I own TangoMike Automotive Detailing, started on 2018. We're here located in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Here at TangoMike, we currently offer paint corrections, ceramic coatings, full details, vehicle wraps, PPFs, you name it, we get it done. When I first started TangoMike and had my own little garage in my house, it was starting to get a little too overwhelming. I didn't know anybody else or anything like that, so I looked at my daughter, said, hey, you want to work for me? Which left me the time so I could push cars out. That was my first glimpse that I saw, like, yo, women are really good at this. And then little girl Hannah walked into our life here at TangoMike.
Being a women majority business, I absolutely love it. And it was really hard getting to this point because it is a male-dominated industry.
It's awesome to see people's faces when we say, like, we did this car. It's all women. So it's really powerful. It feels powerful.
I've even had to fake my name in emails so I could get that chance, my foot in the door, and be like, oh my gosh, like, you're a woman. And I'm like, yeah, but I guarantee you I'm gonna be the best one here, so give me that shot. So the first time I heard about You're Able was my boss Gil came in and he was just going off about this app and he was listing all these amazing things that we could do with this app and the potential that we could bring with this company. And I was like, all right, yep, I'm in.
The organizational part of it, being able to actually detail what they got to do with a particular vehicle, if it's a paint correction, ceramic coating, it actually allows us to build in those step-by-step procedures that need to happen before we deliver a vehicle and ensure that it's actually done.
It's a communication and organization aspect that I think it's gonna be better for us in the future.
Yes, we're going fast, but we need that organization too. And You're Able really helps with that, with keeping everything organized, because otherwise it was all just word of mouth of like, hey, we have this, we have that, and you're starting to get things jumbled and mixed up and you're forgetting which one you're paint correcting and which one's getting which coating. And with You're Able, like, it's all right there so easily listed, and we have the whole checklist to make sure that we don't have anything forgotten. Like, it's so much easier.
Once you left the Army, you basically went into consulting for the FBI, which you're currently doing now, and then also running basically TangoMike, which is grown exponentially.
Yeah.
I made the same decision where, and I think you're kind of going through the struggle house right now, where I left my comfortable six-figure job, which I had a ton of passion for and loved it, to go take on this detailing company full-time. Kind of what struggles are you going through right now with this transformation?
The struggle is being in a position of having to make that decision, one, where I know that one's feeding the family and it's a comfy job. I mean, it's a stressful job, don't get me wrong, and being able to really pour myself into TangoMike. It's definitely comforting knowing that I have a good staff that is holding it down here, but I know that we're getting to the point where I feel TangoMike pulling me. After talking with you and Mike today, which was huge, I would lobby to my detailing colleagues out there, if these guys go out or you're watching their videos, dude, listen to them. Listen to the conversations, because they're telling you so much. They're telling you so much of their experience and what they're seeing in other detail shops, and it's like gold, man. It's just gold. Just trying to bring it and put it to work into my own shop, right? It's that big wealth of encouragement that I'm like, you know what? I think we're getting ready for this, right? When I met You're Able, I really feel passionate that these trips, You're Able is actually pouring into us. And that's just amazing.